and he gave me antibiotics.
When antibiotics didn't help, doctors concluded irritable bowel syndrome might be causing Donna's debilitating stomach pain.
When my doctor
Bling bling
came
kitty,
back,
bling bling kitty, bling
okay,
bling.
you've got a name to what I have.
Bling bling kitty, bling bling kitty, kitty kitty bling
And Jim was
bling.
the perfect nurse when the pain was at its worst.
Kitty kitty
Jim
bling
would be very
bling. No
attentive. He would
no.
always want to try to fix me something to eat that I could keep down.
Get that
And
daddy.
he was always
Get your daddy. He's trying to push you off the bed. Hang on. Oh no, his tail's fully fluffed.
He would say, "Oh, sweetie, I'm sorry that you feel so bad. Let me go make you something to eat."
As the school year wound down, it seemed Donna's symptoms did too.
Why is the cat playing?
When Donna became ill once again while gearing up for a new school year,
my symptoms had come back even stronger. So I went to my gynecologist to see if maybe there was something else going on that I didn't know about.
and sure enough, Donna's doctor found a small cyst on one of her ovaries. He recommended surgery to remove it, and Donna scheduled the procedure. But she found herself in the hospital sooner than planned.
Right before I was supposed to have the surgery, I got
I don't know.
serious. My fever spiked to 105. I got delirious. Jim took me to the hospital, and they ended up packing my body in ice to try to bring my fever down. I lost consciousness. When I woke up, I lost 2 days. The doctors weren't quite sure what had happened to me.
It seems surgery was still Donna's best option.
Kitty looks mad.
Oh well.
Sign off,
While
kitty.
doctors were able to
Say
remove
goodbye.
the cyst, Donna suffered an